Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you comparing two popular camera models, the Canon EOS R6 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. We will evaluate these cameras in several categories to help you decide which one is right for you. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. In terms of image quality, both cameras perform exceptionally well. The Canon EOS R6 features a new 20-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering high-resolution images with excellent details. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C exmor CMOS sensor, ensuring sharp and vibrant images. It's a tough call, but both cameras excel in this category. When it comes to shooting in low-light conditions, the Canon EOS R6 shines. With an ISO range of 100-102-400, expandable up to 204,800, it delivers impressive low-light capabilities. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 also performs well in low light thanks to its fast Bions X processor. While both cameras offer good low-light performance, the Canon EOS R6 has a slight edge in this category. If you're into fast-paced photography, you'll appreciate the Canon EOS R6's high-speed continuous shooting. It can shoot up to 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 20 frames per second with the electronic silent shutter. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10, although not as fast as the EOS R6, still offers a respectable continuous shooting speed. It can capture fast action moments with ease. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS R6 features dual-pixel CMOS AF, covering approximately 100% area with 1,053 AF areas. It offers precise and reliable subject tracking capabilities, including deep learning technology for tracking people and animals. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 also offers excellent autofocus performance, ensuring sharp and well-focused shots in various shooting scenarios. For videographers, both cameras offer impressive video capabilities. The Canon EOS R6 supports 4K UHD 2160p video capture, delivering high-quality footage with excellent detail. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 not only shoots 4K video but also oversamples it from 6K for even more detail. Additionally, it offers convenient features like the product showcase setting and easy live streaming with a single USB cable. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS R6 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Both cameras have their strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Consider factors like image quality, low light performance, continuous shooting, autofocus, and video capabilities. We hope this video helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.